Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here with another episode regarding the GoPro Hero 9 guys. We have some real exciting news regarding the GoPro Hero 9. We have a picture that have just been leaked, we have price, we have released it, we have pictures, we have specs and a whole lot more information you don't want to miss out on today's video. But before we get started on today's video guys, if you guys want to get an opportunity of winning a free DJI Mavic Air 2, yeah, you heard that right guys, a free DJI Mavic Air 2, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. It's that easy guys, and if we're able to get to 1,000 subscribers before September the 15th, then we're going to be giving away one Mavic Air 2 to one of you lucky subscribers. So you guys, you don't want to miss out on this epic opportunity, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and join the Drone Emotion family. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a really exciting one because we're going to be talking about the GoPro Hero 9 that's coming real soon guys. So about a month ago we were talking about a leaked picture that came out, which was regarding a plastic case that could possibly mean that this was going to be the next GoPro Hero 9, but we really didn't have confirmed information or more certain or more reliable images. But today we have some really exciting news because the GoPro 9 has appeared to leak in product images that show off the new front color display with all the specs that are going to be included, and also a promotional image was also leaked by GoPro themselves. So let's get started with today's video guys. So we have finally received official pictures. It hasn't been announced yet, but we have also released it for all of you guys here today. So we're gonna get started with the pictures that we got today for all of you guys. So the GoPro Hero 9 looks like we're going to be getting a refresh from what we saw last year. So the biggest thing with the old GoPro Hero 8 was that it didn't have that front display that is something like what we found on the Osmo Action, which is something great and really practical for those bloggers. It's something that's a really nice feature and it really helps a lot. So right here on screen guys, it's going to be the Osmo Action, so you guys know what I'm talking about. So that's the Osmo Action from DJI, which is basically the only competitor for the Hero 9. So those two cameras are the best ones out there in the market. So right here guys, on the screen is going to be the pictures that have been leaked for the GoPro Hero 9. So these pictures are coming from DJI in their article that they just wrote today. So thank you Drone DJ. So as you guys can see, this is a really exciting picture and a really exciting moment for all of those GoPro fans. Why? Well, because it looks like finally GoPro has decided to add that little screen in front, that color display on front of the GoPro Hero 9. So from the first set of images, the display looks to be pushed back into the camera a little bit, likely reducing the chance of it being smashed if the Hero 9 was dropped or hit while recording. So that's good. That's going to make this camera more resistant, okay guys? Additionally, you can also see the front recording light that has been moved above the new larger display with the same GoPro logo and the front mic staying in the same place. So the mic is going to be staying in the same place, the mic is going to be the same as what we found in the GoPro Hero 8, okay guys? So taking a deeper look at this image from the GoPro that has been leaked, we can see that the front display will allow us to see what the camera is recording along with the recording time, SD card status in the top left corner and battery status in the top right hand corner. The image also shows us the price of the GoPro Hero 9 bundle, so we're going to be touching on that a little bit later on. So the first bundle that we just showed you guys is going to be including the following, okay? So it's gonna come with a 32 GB SD card, okay, so that's pretty nice. It's gonna have also a handler mount, a magnetic swivel clip, and an extra rechargeable battery. So the price for the combo is going to be $500, okay guys, so that's going to be the price for the combo. So right here on the screen guys, in case you missed it on the first picture that we showed you, so this is going to be the combo and this is what is going to be included. So for $500, that's what we are going to be getting with the new GoPro Hero 9, okay guys? So we also have some really good news regarding the lens, okay guys? So additionally from getting that real nice color front display in the front of the GoPro, which is going to be really important, and I know a lot of you guys wanted it to be added, so we're finally going to be getting that. So here's going to be a closer look for those guys that want to see what the front display is going to be looking like. So that's going to be the new front display that's going to be incorporated into the new GoPro Hero 9. Now let's move on to something that's going to be completely new for this GoPro generation. Okay, so with the new Hero 9, it looks like we're going to be getting possibly removable lenses. Yes guys, something we've been all waiting for, and we finally gotten it from GoPro. So if you guys look closely into the camera, we can see that there's a gap between it and the camera, like the GoPro before the Hero 8 had. From this, it appears that the GoPro has gone back on its own unibody design and will allow users to put a new lens on if they happen to break it. Good job, GoPro. So this is really good news, guys. So right here on the screen is going to be a picture, an up-close image of the lens, okay? So in case you guys ever break your lens, we're now going to be able to replace it. And also I think this is going to be really useful because we're now going to be able to add ND filters, just like we do with the Mavic drones and other drones. I think that's going to be a possibility now with the GoPro Hero 9. We're going to be able to add those ND filters, which are a really nice feature, okay? Also, something that's going to be brand new for the new GoPro Hero 9 is going to be the USB-C connector, okay? So the GoPro Hero 9 is going to be using a Type USB-C, something we are accustomed to. So it looks like it's been relocated to a different place. So it's going to be something a little smaller, but was found to be a bit of an issue with the GoPro Hero 8. So this was not really a big issue, but something that bugged some people. So it looks like the location of the USB-C port has been changed. So in the past, every time you wanted to use the camera while plugged in, the battery and the SD card were exposed. So this was something bad because it could lead to the battery coming out, or it being damaged, or just things spilling onto your camera or you were charging. Okay, so in this new GoPro Hero 9, it looks like we're going to be finally getting that fixed from GoPro. So that's really good news, guys. So if you look closely, you're going to be seeing that the GoPro USB-C port has been moved to the other side, just under the power or mode button. So the new door looks like just the right size for a USB connector as well. So it's going to be right the same size as the USB-C connector. So right here on the screen, guys, is going to be a closer look at that brand new USB-C port that's going to be incorporated into the new Hero 9. Okay guys, so you guys can see that's going to be the new USB-C port for the GoPro Hero 9. So it's great to see that GoPro has finally fixed all of the little issues that their old GoPro Hero 8 had, and I think this camera is finally going to be able to battle against the Osmo Action in a real hard battle. So this is great news for all of those GoPro fans. Now let's talk about release dates. So in the past, we've seen GoPro announce their new Hero cameras right around September and the October mark. So the Hero 7 was announced back in September of 2018, and then the Hero 8 was announced back in October. So I'm pretty positive we're going to be seeing the Hero 9 real soon, guys. I will mark my calendars for October of this year, so it's right around the corner, just about a month left. So I think that's going to be the release date for the new GoPro Hero 9. Regarding the camera filming capabilities and the sensor size, we haven't seen any leaks regarding the specs on that. We still don't know if it's going to keep that same 1/2.3-inch sensor. I think that's going to be still the case, although I would love to see a bigger sensor. That will really make a big difference on the filming capabilities. But unfortunately, I don't think that's going to be happening. We're just going to have to wait and see what GoPro comes out with. And also, we still don't know if it's going to be able to film up to 6K or 8K. But personally, I think GoPro is going to be sticking with 4K 60. I think that's going to be what you're going to be going for with our new GoPro Hero 9. In case something of this changes or if some new leaks comes out regarding the GoPro Hero 9, we're going to keep you updated here on the channel, guys. So thank you for watching today's video and make sure you subscribe to the channel.